Kia ora whānau, kata kura huni a tōku ingoa, no Ngāti Awa, no Ngāti Whātua hau. I come from 78 Kirimo and I live on 6 Ngāo Street. I'll be taking over this year at Te Matasini ki te ao in Te Whanganui Ātara, giving you the behind the scenes scoop on who's good and who's hot dog. I'll be catching up with some of our Hakapaki cousins down there as well, so make sure you tune in and give them some aroha. See me down there, cousins, just come say kia ora, and I've got some Ngāti Whātua prizes to give out to you. Kia ora, te kura. Kia ora, cuz. Here's
Oh,
the Ngāti
wow.
Whātua Ranking prize.
Oh, wow.
Down there, whānau.
What about the next generation? I wonder what will be their